Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can download iTunes for your PC, Windows PC. So let's get started. So how you can do it is just go to open your favorite browser and go to Google or other search engines. I use Google. So we're going to search here for iTunes. So once we're on this page, we go to iTunes Apple here. Click on this. After that, we can get it from Microsoft Store. So we can click on this. If you have account on Microsoft Store, we click on this one. And here we just go on install and we install the iTunes via Microsoft Store. In case you don't have an account for Microsoft Store, that's no problem. We can install directly we can download it directly from Apple site. So just scroll a little bit down. And then here looking for other versions, Mac OS, or we're gonna click on Windows since we use Windows. And then here, click on that one, and here download iTunes for 64-bit if you have 64-bit and 32-bit if you have 32-bit. So I'm gonna click on 64 since I have 64-bit. So, and now the download started. So we're gonna wait to finish. After the iTunes has been completed, you will see iTunes 64 setup, and just click on it once, and we're gonna wait for the installer to begin. So we can close now the Google Chrome or your browser. We don't need it anymore. Here we're gonna click on next, and here we can leave everything as default. So we can click on install. Here we're gonna click on yes, and of course we're gonna wait this to finish. And after the installation has been completed, you can click here on finish and mark this open iTunes after installation and click on finish. Now we go here agree. And now here we're gonna go again on agree. And that's pretty much it. Now you can connect your iPhone and do whatever you need to do in iTunes. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Ask me any questions if you have. Bye.